Hi my friends, today we model this part, which is a removable chain wheel, and of course comes from Timoteo Carrera Soto. This is his drawing. You see a lot of data and something interesting. The pitch is 50 and the channel is this one. This part is taken from Timoteo Carrera Soto drawings, and you can download it by watching the tutorial number 182. This is my drawing, and we start with creating this volume, the basic volume. Let's start. Standard millimeters IPT, start sketch, XY plane. I draw a line with a length of 70. I place its center on the center point. I move this down and I make this center line. Then I draw lines. I start from here, up, right, up, left, again up, right, and I keep press the left button to go somewhere here. I draw a line, a vertical line. I make it coincident, its end coincident with something, with this line, to not forget its length. Then I apply mirror of all these lines, arc about this new line. Apply. Dimensions. This line is equal to this, and dimensions 35 is this, 70. Next, 12 is this dimension, 40 here, I connect these two ends. "23" is this dimension, and then diameters. This is 260. The next one, even if it looks strange, this is 290. Another strange, and this is 336. there is another dimension for this center of 320, then the radius of 23 here, and we have a fully constrained sketch. Yes, finish sketch, revolve, and the first volume is here. Now the ribs, this ribs, yes, this one. It has dimensions here, 28, 40, and a thickness of 12. No, the thickness is here and is missing. It is also 12. And this is why I forgot the dimension. New sketch in the plane XY, F7, we draw a line of 28 here, 28, placed with its center on the same vertical, its center on the same vertical with this one. Another line is here without dimension, with the center placed on the same vertical. I make this a bit larger and I connect these two ends. I draw a line at this level, yes, and I make it construction, but with the dimension of 40. 40. Good. Finish sketch, extrude, symmetrical, 12. Next is this cut. We have a radius here 19 divided by 2, a radius, real radius 118, and radius 10. Don't forget this 52. Yes. We select this face and we draw two arcs. This is one with a radius 118, and this is another one with a radius 90 divided by 2. Both are centered on the center point, so I apply coincidence here. Then I draw a vertical line here and a horizontal one here. Extend, extend, trim this small end and this small end. Dimensions here F7 to see on the face. Dimensions are 52 divided by 2, and the same here. The same here, copying this dimension. They are equal. Fully constrained. We add fillets of 10 on each corner. Also fully constrained. Extrude this face through all cut. Okay. Now there are two features to be multiplied with circular pattern for 4 times, but I want to take advantage and place other features which are necessary. For instance, this with 2 millimeters, which is by default here and in our drawing, because we have here undimensioned fillets are radius 2. This is undimensioned on the drawing. This face and this face. Then plus 8 millimeters. A lot of fillets, as you can see. On both sides, because I don't want to mirror this. Okay, you see, that's good. Okay. Just now I multiply. I use circular pattern and I select all these 4 features. About what axis? This axis. How many? 4, not 6. Okay. Other fillets of also 8 millimeters are here, and the other place, look to this. You see, radius 8, radius 8. So fillet 8 to all this, and also on the back. I hope I selected all. Okay. Very good. Next is this cut. Yes, this contour. There are dimensions here, as you can see. 50 is the distance on the pitch center, radius 160 or diameter 320. This circle is the pitch circle, then two radii, radius 10 and radius 36, with centers on the same pitch circle. The distance between these 2 points is 4. It is a bit tricky, but you can understand, of course. You are my students. Be careful we don't forget this 300 diameter, which is at the bottom of the cut. We use the plane X, Y, Z, F7. We draw the two circles. One is the pitch circle, 320, and the other is bottom circle, 300. Then we place a point, but firstly let's rotate the part to have Z on vertical. The point is on this circle, but since we have here one dimension needed, I apply the constraint to be on the same vertical, this point you see here, and the center point. Then we draw a line, a sloped line, with a length of 50. We place its end on this circle, and we start with arcs. From here to somewhere, radius 36. Its center is placed on the pitch circle. I extend this arc to somewhere here, and I apply another arc between these two entities, tangent to one, and now tangent to the other one. The radius of this arc is 10. Good. Now I trim this old circle, and I keep this one. Both the circle and the arc and the chord have midpoints. I draw a line between that two center points. This is one and this is the other one. Why? Because I move this a little. I apply mirror of the two arcs above this tiny axis. Apply. Very interesting, isn't it? These are construction. I also cut this arc all around, trim, and I keep this small arc. I place the distance of 4 millimeters between these 2 points. Four millimeters. Fully constrained sketch. Everything is okay. We have this circle as not construction, and the other are 5 arcs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which close this area. Finish sketch. Extrude. This contour, not the other, not both. Symmetrical, cut through. Okay. How many teeth has this wheel? We can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 20 teeth. We apply circular pattern for the last feature about this axis, not 6 but 20. Okay. I see here we don't have placed the fillet of 8. I don't add the fillet here, but I go to 8, double click. You see I cannot select here. So we apply fillet of 8 is already placed here, and we work hard to place all these fillets, which are dimensioned in the drawing. Okay. And the same as our part. Yes. I suppose that's all. Let's see what about the volume. Properties, physical, update, select, copy, close, drawing, double click, paste. It is a very small difference. Here is. Of course, we eliminate the previous value and we place the new value, the one made by us. I select the material, which is steel cast, and I select the color, which is blue wall paint glossy. If I apply also shaded instead of shaded with edges, we have the same part and position like this one. You see, there is no difference. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.